Hey everyone, this is Robert Roy, founder of WealthBuildersHQ.com. Welcome to this edition of Trade with Rob, which is for Friday, November 19th, 2021. Now the market's just closed. We're going to take a look at the S&P 500. We're closed a little more than half an hour right now. We're going to take a look at the S&P 500, and as we do, keep in mind that everything we do today is for educational purposes only. Nothing is meant to be advice or recommendations. All right, so first things first, let's go look at the S&P 500. Oh, $sign SPX. I kind of gave away the symbol already. So let me bring it in. Let's bring it in. Let's do the unscrunch. Okay, there we go. So what's happened here? Guys, I've been talking about this. Everybody that's listening to me, every platform that I have, Power Option Plays, Covered Call Explorer, Power Hour, our free training on Monday, it doesn't matter. Everywhere that I am talking about what's going on with the S&P right now. We have got a major resistance level above our head with this zero line and a confluence of part of our ABC pattern. It's the 236 of our ABC. So there's two lines basically very close to each other that are giving us a little bit of resistance in there. So we keep bumping our head on there. We're going to break it. I don't doubt we'll break it. But we're going to get some break above, potentially fail back. We got to watch that level closely, right? But overall, market is bullish. We're at an all-time high in the area, all-time highs, closing highs. I mean, within the last week and a half, we're there, right? It's been phenomenal. So the candidate today, if you caught it before, is Dash, which is DoorDash. And it's funny, we do a YouTube show every morning at 9 o'clock. We're working on changing it over to 8:30, but right now it's 9 a.m. And we go 20 minutes, and I ask students, hey, what candidate do you want to look at? And one of the students in there today said, oh, take a look at DoorDash. It's a great zero-line breakout trade. And she was absolutely right. And I said that. I had written it down. Now, it's on my list of candidates to look at every day. This is one of the candidates that has a current fib on it that I look at for trades like this one here for the zero-line breakout. So we got a nice little bounce. We had a confluence of the 8 right off of that fib line there. Let's bring it in, right? So that fib line is our zero line, and that is 227.40. Okay. So what am I looking for? We closed up at 228.80. I like it a lot, a whole lot. So all I'm looking for this to do now, in an ideal world, is give me a small retest. Ideally, come back and pull back a little bit. Doesn't have to come all the way to the line. It's just hard to draw that tiny little bit with a mouse and a thick pen. But give me a small pullback or a small move to the upside. That works as well. I just can't have this big gap up and look to start taking that trade. It won't work, right? Ideally, the pullback, I don't care if it breaks, as long as it gets back above the 227.40 level. And then we're looking at 233.75 as our first target, target 1. So basically, when we take this trade, we're going to do 2 contracts, 2x. At target 1, let's clear that up a little bit and make it look a little prettier than that. All right, so T1 is right here. On our entry, we take 2 contracts. You take as many as you want, right? We're basically going to set our first target for 1x, and x is contracts, okay? 1x. We're going to set our stop, our very first stop, we're going to set with 2x. So what am I saying here? If it goes up, get me out of one of my 2 contracts, and then cancel my stop. If it goes down, get me out of the trade completely. My target gets canceled, we call it a day. Once it moves up to target 1, target 2 is at 240.50. We're going to then, so we've already hit target 1. That stop is gone. We're going to have target 1 for also 1x. We're going to move our stop up to above break even. So wherever you got in on the stock price, just above that into the break even, we're higher than break even. So if you got in at 200, you'd look at 201, 275 cents, somewhere higher than where you got into the trade, right? That's where our second stop will be. If we run and hit that second target, awesome. Guys, these trades work phenomenal. Do we miss out on them sometimes? Yep. If you look at Apple, I was dead right on Apple. I just caught it a day late, right? Look at Apple. Boom, boom. 2 targets, boom, 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 right? Great zero-line breakout trade setup. It was right there, right? The previous one we did before that, I think it was STX. STX. Is it? Yeah, same scenario. We just shot up. Man, I mean, just took off, right? Great setups. We missed out on both of them, right? Nothing you can do, right? These setups work. Dash is the one we're looking at for this week. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Make it a profitable day. Stay focused on the quest to becoming a great trader. Keep crushing it. And remember, you're just one trade away. If you saw something you like here today, leave a comment down below. You can find more of the social platforms that we've got down below. Make sure you subscribe, follow along with us. Ring the doorbell. Ding, ding, ding. Ring that bell so you can get notified every time we've got a new video pops up. And have a great rest of your day. Talk to you soon. Bye for now. Folks, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the training. Now, if you did, be sure to give us a thumbs up and go ahead and hit the subscribe button right over here and hit the bell to keep up with all the latest trading content. And oh, did you know that we have a podcast? Supercharge your trading education with the Stock Market Millionaire, which you can find in the description down below. And while you're there, you can also find other amazing free trading resources that I put together just for you.